The JOYALENS JL266S HDMI digital microscope stands out with its 5 interchangeable lenses that cover everything from coin inspection and rock textures to detailed biological slide work and circuit board repair. Its movable stage with precise horizontal and vertical controls makes it easy to center tiny specimens and track them smoothly without constantly touching the slide. The built-in 7-inch screen and ultra-high-definition video output provide a crisp, comfortable view that several people can share at once without needing to peer through eyepieces. Support for both HDMI and USB connections, along with compatible measurement software, turns this microscope into a practical tool for documenting work and taking accurate dimensional readings on a computer. Adjustable top and bottom lighting, combined with interchangeable background plates, help reduce glare and shadows so fine details in coins, plants, and tissue samples remain clear. The included memory card, remote control, prepared slides, and basic tools make the JOYALENS JL266S a ready-to-use kit for curious children, hobbyists, and serious tinkerers who want to record and revisit their observations.